Good day everyone. So now we are now answering the 7 questions after performing the experiment. The first question is, how does the color changing milk experiment work? The color changing milk experiment works by adding dish soap to milk with the food coloring. The soap breaks the surface tension and reacts with milk fat molecules causing in the liquid. This motion pushes the food coloring around and creating swirling colors. Question number 2. What is the science behind the milk and food coloring experiment? The science behind the milk and food coloring experiment involves surface tension and molecular interactions. Milk contains fat and proteins which remain stable until dish soap is added. Soap reduces surface tension and reacts with the fat, causing movement in the milk. This movement pushes the food coloring and creating visible swirling patterns.
Number 3 question. A color-changing milk, a chemical reaction. No, the color-changing a milk experiment is not a chemical reaction. It's a physical reaction because the soap disputes the surface tension and interacts with the fat molecules in the milk, causing the movement. A new substance formed. The process is purely molecular interaction and physical mixing.
Number 4 question. Why does food coloring do not mix with milk? Food coloring doesn't mix with milk because milk contains fat molecules that separates from the water. The fat repels the water-based food coloring, causing it to stay separated until a soap or detergent is added to break down the fat, allowing the colors to mix.
Question number 5. Is it safe to drink food coloring? Yes, drinking food-grade food coloring is generally safe in small amounts. It is regulated for consumption, but excessive use may cause reactions in sensitive individuals. Always ensure the coloring is food safe and avoid non-food dyes. Always check labels and be aware of potential sensitivity.
What is meant by adulterated milk? Adulterated milk is a represents milk that has been contaminated with harmful substance or treated with water, starch, and detergent or chemicals to increase volume or prolong its shelf life. Often for economic gain, this compromises its quality and can be harmful to health.
Okay, the last question is, what kinds of milk produce the best swirling of colors? Evaporate or pressed milk? Then why? Pressed milk produce the best swirling of colors. This is because pressed milk has a higher fat content and natural proteins, which create a smooth, rich textures that allows the color to swirl and mix more effectively when combined with food coloring.